I feel a little stupid coming all the way to Bulgaria to eat McDonald's. What a crime. So let's hope that I am not as dumb as a rock. To find out, only takes about 2 minutes walk to the Earth and Man National Museum. It's dedicated to the priceless mineralogical collection and covers 40% or 1,523 kind of minerals out of more than 4,200 of all known naturally occurring minerals, as well as man-made ceramics made by the Bulgarian scientists. So this is actually one of the interesting museums you can come and visit here in Sofia. It's called the Earth and Man Museum. It's actually one of the largest mineralogical museums in the world, opened in 1987. And in many of the weekends, they have special exhibit where you can come and find some of the rare minerals and rocks that can only be found here in Bulgaria. First opened in 1987 and housed in a historic building that was constructed at the end of the 19th century as part of the Sofia Arsenal complex. Today, its collection includes 27,000 items gathered in 7 permanent exhibits. On the first floor is home to a giant crystal exhibit, including crystal rarely encountered in nature that are as tall as they are. Including the exhibit include quartz, apatite, fluorite, and others. The neighboring exhibit, Earth's Minerals, include a wide variety of minerals which are also very rare. At the far end of the first floor is Peter Travis collection, the founder of Bulgaria's Speleology Society. Among the most interesting of these items collected over 45 years of exploration are the cave pearls. The second floor is home to 291 minerals found in Bulgaria, organized by region. The Vatosia exhibit includes 2-phase dravite crystals, titanium, and a collection of decorative cut stones. From Kremakotsi, there's various types of barlites. From Mandrova, there's orphite, native bronze, machelite, and cathocatsite. They are displayed almost all types, both cut and uncut, including rare precious stones. There's also part of the museum space reserved for temporary exhibits, as well as a gift shop at the entrance selling a wide range of minerals and general information about the museum. Yeah. Only 600 meters away, there is a large park built in 1954 on the occasion of the 10th anniversary of the liberation by the Soviet Army. Bulgaria was ruled by a Marxist-Leninist ruling party from 1946 to 1990. During this period, there were many Soviet-era monuments that were erected and dedicated to its soldiers, often portrayed as freedom fighters. At the center of the park is a monument and dedicated to Russian military forces who aided Bulgaria during World War II. It salutes a soldier from the Red Army as a freedom fighter, surrounded by a Bulgarian woman holding her baby and a Bulgarian man. However, today, the park has become a popular hangout for young people like me, as well as a ground for artistic expression and social stands and counterculture radicals, including many protests taking place in this park.